Welcome to Engineering and Automation program here at Reading-Muhlenberg Career and Technology Center. I'm the instructor, Benjamin Harmuth. As a student in this program, you're going to find yourself using your hands and your brain every day. We take a hands-on approach to multiple engineering disciplines such as mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, computer and robotic sciences as well. Working in this field, you're going to find yourself being a jack of all trades, and that makes you a very valuable employee. Lots of employers in the area, such as East Penn Manufacturing and Termico. We've also had students working at Fraser Advanced Information Systems. We've also had students working at World Electronics and Barbie Electronics. And students can even work in the food industry, working on their machines that make the food. We've had students co-op and work at Giorgio Foods, and we've also had students work at Sweet Street Desserts. One of the most common pathways after high school in this program is certainly to go on to college. There are plenty of colleges in the area, such as Reading Area Community College, Berks Technical Institute, Automotive Training Center, of course, Thaddeus Stevens College of Technology. We've even had some students go on to universities such as Penn State, Drexel, and Temple University. Feel free to join my Zoom call and we can discuss more about the program and you can learn a little bit more. And I can even show you some of the cool things that we do here.